Ready to dive into the world of hassle-free transactions? In this video, we've got a quick guide on how to make a new Cash App account. This is a straightforward process and we're here to walk you through each step. So without further ado, let's get started. So making a new Cash App account is actually simple. Just open the Cash App app, and to start the account creation process, you may need to enter your phone number or email address. Okay, so once you've entered your phone number or email address during the Cash App account creation process, Cash App will send you a verification code via either text or email. So keep a lookout for this code, usually arriving promptly, and when you receive it, just enter the code in the designated space when prompt. This step is crucial as it ensures the security of your account by verifying your identity. So take a moment to check your messages and complete the verification process to successfully set up your new Cash App account. So next step we have is the zip code. Just enter your zip code as these additional details assist Cash App in tailoring certain features based on your location. Also, I just want to add that if you're feeling social, you can invite friends to join Cash App as well, but this is optional. Now, here's a fun part. Pick a cash tag. This is like your unique username for Cash App, so choose something that reflects you and is easy to remember. Now, to continue setting up your Cash App account, the next step is linking your bank account. So just enter your debit card information and you're all set. This step is essential for smooth transactions and enables you to make the most of Cash App feature. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.